These are the perfect boxes for Amazon resellers, people who assemble pre-made gift boxes, and small businesses. Anyone who needs to do any shipping, these are great heavy-duty boxes. I'm going to show you how to assemble them. And also, this pack comes with 20 of them. And right out of the box, they are already folded. And you're able to just start unfolding and be able to follow the instructions. The instructions are also printed right on the box itself, showing you exactly step by step how to fold them. So let's get into it. I'm gonna do this one a little bit more up close. All right, so I'm going to unfold my flaps here, just get them set. And then I'm gonna fold in this side. And I'm going to fold in this side while kind of also pushing it a little bit. And then again, doing one side at a time. Going to just push that down. And there we go. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Going to fold on the perforation. Keep these two flaps down. Fold it over itself. And lock it in place. Then I can take it here. Fold it down. Take these two flaps. And then fold it into the slits here on the side. And there we go. We got ourselves a nicely folded, perfect box every time. Highly recommend it.